In this video, we will study the basics of data cleaning in Excel. We will explore various tools and techniques that can help you ensure the accuracy and reliability of your data. Now, data cleaning is an essential step in the data analysis process. And by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to identify and correct errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in your dataset using Excel. So let's get started and unlock the power of data cleaning in Excel. Now, these are some of the basic techniques for data cleaning in Excel. Remember, the specific steps you take will depend on the nature of your data and the cleaning requirements. It is always a good practice to create a backup of your data before performing any cleaning operations. Excel's flexibility and wide range of functions make it a powerful tool for data cleaning and preparation. So let's dive deeper into the basics of data cleaning in Excel and explore each technique in more detail. To explain the basics of data cleaning in Excel, let us use a sample data set of customer information. Here is an example data set on your screen. The first technique that we will cover is removing duplicates. Now, duplicates can occur when you have identical or similar records in your data set. To remove duplicates in Excel, select the range of data that you want to work with. Then go to the Data tab and click on the Remove Duplicates button. Excel will prompt you to select the columns that you want to check for duplicates. After selecting the columns, click OK. And Excel will remove the duplicate values, keeping only the unique records. In the given data set, let us check for duplicate email addresses. Select the email column B2, B6. Go to the Data tab, click on Remove Duplicates, and select the email column. Excel will remove any duplicate email addresses, leaving only the unique records. The next technique is handling missing values. Now, missing values can occur when there is no data recorded for a specific variable or observation. To handle missing values, you can use the Find and Replace feature in Excel. Select the range of data that contains missing values. Press Ctrl+F to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Leave the Find What field blank and specify the value you want to replace the missing values with in the Replace With field. Click Replace All to replace all missing values in one go. Let us say there are missing phone numbers in the data set. To handle this, select the phone column E2, E6. Press Ctrl+F to open Find and Replace dialog box. Leave the Find What field blank. Enter any in the Replace With field. Click Replace All to replace all missing values with any. Alternatively, you can use Excel functions to handle missing values. The if function allows you to check for missing values and replace them with a specific value or formula. IsBlank function can help you identify cells that are empty. IfError function allows you to replace errors, including missing values, with a specified value or formula. The third technique is correcting inconsistent data. Inconsistent data refers to variations in the way data is entered, such as different spellings, capitalization, or formatting. In Excel, you can use functions like proper, upper, and lower to standardize text data. The proper function converts text to title case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized. The upper function converts text to all uppercase, and the lower function converts text to all lowercase. In the first name column, we notice inconsistent capitalization. To fix this, Select the first name column C2, C6. Go to the Data tab. Click on Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and select space as the delimiter. This will split the first names into separate columns, allowing you to use the proper function on each name to capitalize the first letter. Conditional formatting is another powerful tool for identifying and correcting inconsistent data. You can create rules that highlight cells with inconsistent values based on specific criteria. For example, you can highlight cells that contain different spellings of the same word, or cells that have different formats for representing the same type of data. The fourth technique is fixing data formats. Data may sometimes be in the wrong format, which can impact calculations and sorting. Excel provides functions to help fix data formats. The date value function can convert text representation of dates into proper date format. The text function allows you to format dates, numbers, and text in a specific format. The trim function can remove leading and trailing spaces from cells, which is useful for cleaning up data with extra spaces. Assume that the phone column has some phone numbers stored as text. Select the phone column E2, E6, go to the Home tab. Click on the Number Format drop-down and choose General to convert the phone numbers to the proper numeric format. The fifth technique is handling text to columns. Now, sometimes you may have data in a single column that needs to be split into multiple columns. Excel's Text to Columns feature can help you with this task. Select the column that contains the data. Go to the Data tab. Click on Text to Columns and choose the delimiter that separates the values. For example, comma, space, or tab. Excel will split the data into separate columns based on the chosen delimiter. Let us say we want to split the email addresses into separate columns for the username and domain. Select the email column D2, D6. Go to the Data tab. Click on Text to Columns. Choose Delimited. Select Add as the delimiter. Excel will split the email addresses into two separate columns. The sixth technique is removing unwanted characters. Data may contain unwanted characters like special symbols, non-printable characters, or extra spaces. Excel provides functions to remove specific characters or clean up data. The substitute function allows you to replace specific characters or strings with a desired value. The clean function helps remove non-printable characters from text data. The trim function, as mentioned earlier, removes extra spaces from cells. These techniques provide a basic understanding of data cleaning in Excel. By applying them to your data sets, you can improve data quality, consistency, and accuracy, ensuring reliable analysis and insights.